Hello again, my favorite coder cats and coder kittens. Welcome back for another week where Coder Kitty decodes LinkedIn scripting language, the series where I talk to you about the syntax, arguments, and other controls for each individual command and event handler of LinkedIn scripting language, so you can do a quick check and get brush up on any given command you need to use. This week, we're going to discuss collision start and collision end. This is actually very similar to touch start and touch end, except that it is done by objects striking it instead of by a click. You do not have to use these in tandem. I'm just doing this because it is a simple way to show you the operation of both. You can absolutely use them individually. On. You see, if I continue to walk around on it, it's continuing to register one continuous contact from my avatar, so it does not register as a separate collision. So off, on. Anything that would cause me to be bumped a little bit, we'll change it. That jump, off, on, off. It will also respond to objects with physics. In the case of physical collision, though, you see that when it stops moving, it stops registering the physical collision. My best guess is that is just saving processing time by the physics engine, that it basically stopped paying attention to this object at that point. Because if I grab it to interact, move it just a little bit, it stays on as long as I've got a hold of it to slide it around. Lift it up, off. Let go, on, and then off. So that is collision start and collision end. There are commands that will let you go through and interpret that information in a little more depth, but those are actually separate commands. They're not part of the same command, so those will be in separate videos. Remember, every Wednesday by noon Eastern Standard Time, I'll have another Coder Kitty Decoded video up. And every Tuesday by noon Eastern Standard Time, I will have another episode of Coder Kitty's Workshop, where every lesson is a project, every project is a lesson, and I teach you how to use all these wonderful, shiny commands I'm teaching you in Decoded. Hope to see you back for those later. As usual, good day, good luck, happy coding. Meow.